Hi there and welcome back to the Amoretti kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Honeydew Melon Boba Tea. So if you're ready, let's get started. So our first step is going to be adding our honeydew melon syrup, matcha, and almond milk to a shaker. You don't have to use a shaker, you can just mix it by yourself with a spoon or whatever you have in a hand. This just makes it a little bit easier to combine. So I'm gonna do 4 pumps because we're making enough for 2 glasses. Pour in almond milk. You can use any kind you like, but I think the almond milk just tastes really nice with matcha powder. You can buy this at like a health food store. Whole Foods typically has it. That's where we got ours. It's pretty easy to find. I'm just gonna add in a little bit of ice, not too much. I'm just gonna shake this up really well. All right, and before we pour into our glasses here, we're gonna add in our boba tea. So this, we got it off of Amazon. You can probably find it in specialty markets. It's pretty easy to make. The directions on your package will tell you how to. All right, now we're just gonna strain this evenly into each glass. And lastly, just top each of them off with a little bit more ice. All right, so I'm just gonna garnish these with some cute cutout melon pieces. We put a little kiwi on there, just something cute to add a little bit more to our drink. And of course, what is boba tea without your boba tea straws? Because otherwise, you're not gonna be getting any of your tapioca pearls. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our boba tea recipe. You can also use any other flavor of our syrup. If you want to use strawberry, that would also be really good in this as well. If you make it at home, be sure to tag us at Amoretti on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.